Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely error in Windows. And the error, it reads, the Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely because of an error. Your system has not been modified to install this program at later time. Run Setup Wizard again. Click the Finish button to exit the Setup Wizard. So some potential causes are corrupted installation files, antivirus or firewall interference, insufficient permissions, system compatibility, and conflicting software. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to delete the leftover files of previous Epic Games installation. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung File Explorer. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na open mo na tong File Explorer, so dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung this PC. At dito sa right side, under dito sa devices and drives, so i-select mo lang dito yung C drive, so select and double click. And next step ay kailangan lang i-locate dito yung programs 86. So scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin dito yung program files and then 86. Okay, so ito siya. So ang gagawin natin dito is select and double click. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Epic Games folder. So once na-locate mo na dito yung Epic Games folder, so ang gagawin natin dito is to delete. So select and right click. And then i-click mo lang dito yung delete. Ayan, so once na-delete na natin, and then other solution na pwede natin gawin is to try installing the clean boot. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung ms-config. So one word yan, and then mag-a-appear ka agad dito yung system configurations, and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong system configurations, ang next step, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung services, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung hide all Microsoft services. And then dito naman sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung disable all. Okay, so once nagawa mo na yan, and then next step, dito lang sa taas ulit, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung start up, so click mo lang yan. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open task manager, so click mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na tong task manager, so dito lang sa startup apps, so kailangan mo lang i-delete dito yung all non-Windows entries. So kapag may nakita ka ditong non-Windows entries, ay kailangan mo lang itong i-delete. So for example, select mo lang siya, and then mag-right click ka lang and i-select mo lang dito yung disabled. So kailangan i-disable lahat. So after dito sa task manager, and then back lang tayo. And dito lang ulit sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung both. So click mo lang yan. And dito naman sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung both options. So click mo lang dito yung box na yan na save both. And then next step, click apply. And i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after diyan, and then dito sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely error in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.